Hello guys, welcome back to Tronics Energy, and today we're going to learn about computers, how they have evolved over the years. One of the most important components that makes up a computer, which is a transistor, and these devices have really evolved over the years, and we have seen them do and help us in industries, in our workplace, in our homes, and all places. So let's take a step back and to the 1940s, where it all began. As you can see on your screen, these are the scenes of the first computers, which were very huge in size. The storage spaces were very large. It was like running a cruise ship on land, I'm telling you. And in the 1970s, they actually reduced the size, so the computers could actually fit in our homes, so people could work in their homes and do all those stuff. So this is a TRS-80 computer. This is an IBM PC. There were very many famous desktops at that time. This is a Commodore 64, and a lot of other famous desktops at that time. In the 1990s, they actually brought up a very cool invention, which was internet. This was a method of how we could communicate with each other around the globe, so people could actually share ideas. And as you can see, over the years, the computers have really evolved to be one of the most helpful devices that we need in our life. And right now we even have AI, which is helping us, changing how we even think, changing how the society even works. And they all come to make work easier and life much easier. To think about it, it all began with a simple transistor. So a transistor is basically a switch, and once voltage is applied at the collector, it cannot freely move to the emitter, which is on the other end. And here's why that's not possible. So a transistor is basically made of three parts. The symbol that I've drawn up there is an NPN transistor, but we have P and P transistors. So for an NPN transistor, it has two N-type materials and one P-type at the middle part. So the two N-type materials are filled with electrons, which I'm going to represent with these dots, and the middle part, which is the positive, going to be represented with these blue circles right there. So once a voltage is applied at the input, which is a collector, it cannot freely move to the other end. But if an external voltage is applied at the base, now the electrons can freely move to the other side. So basically, a transistor is a device that once an external voltage is applied at the base, and now the electrons can freely move from one part to the other. So that's what I wanted you to see today, and if you like this demonstration, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.